Next topic is types of database. So in database there are mainly two types of database. First one is flat file database and second is relational database. Let us understand what is flat file database. Flat file database is something like MS Excel, Microsoft Excel. In Microsoft Excel we have records which have small fixed number of fields without any structured relationship. Without any structured relationship means you cannot create more than one table at a time, and since you don't have more than one tables at a time, you cannot set relations between those tables. So it's a very simple database, that is flat file database. An example for flat file database is Microsoft Excel. Next type of database is relational database. A relational database stores data in several tables, means you can create many tables. And another very important point is that you can have links between those tables, you can have relations between those tables to compose or to get a common piece of information, to get a common piece of information. That is relational database, having relations between the various tables that we have created in database. For example, MS Access, Microsoft SQL, Oracle, etc. Now children, if I ask you a simple question, what is difference between a file and a database? So when we talk about a file is a collection of related records. It can be file of MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, any sort of file it can be. So what is a file? File is a collection of related records stored on a storage device, while as database is a collection of data. Database is a collection of data which is arranged in a well organized way, where adding, updating, sorting, editing, deleting of information is very easy. Thank you, children.